Hello viewers, welcome to ABEZ Smart Solutions. We are here with the installation video of ABEZ FZ40i 3D Face Recognition Smart Lock. The uniqueness of this 3D Face Smart Lock is that it has an integrated circuit of 3D face recognition with a 2.8 LED resolution ratio. Now, I'm going to show you the parts of the lock. This is front panel, back panel, lock case, square key, mechanical key and a back holder. Now, using the FZ40i, first make a cutout on the door using the cutout given, after which install the lock case. Now install the mechanical key and tighten the screws. After installing the mechanical lock, now take the front panel and insert the square key in the right direction. Pull the chip holder behind. Place them correctly. After inserting the front panel, now let's insert the back panel and connect the chip. Carefully place the wires inside the lock and the mechanical key slot into the front panel and the door. And insert 8 AA batteries and close the knob. Your ABEZ FZ40i is now ready to use. Please follow our operation video for more.